the Small Cap Power Expert Interview featuring Robert McWhirter. Welcome back, Bob. What's your outlook for the tech sector in 2015?
We're quite positive on tech stocks. They're obviously growth-oriented. The current forecast for the outlook for 2015 for the TSX overall earnings is a very modest 3%. We think tech stocks in general will end up doing much better than 3% earnings growth at reasonable PE multiples for 2015.
What factors do you think will influence the tech sector in 2015?
Well, I think the overall kind of background for tech stocks is quite positive. The internet penetration around the world continues to grow, in part because of the increase in video streaming for companies like YouTube. That then provides opportunities for increased need for faster networks, which is a benefit to Canadian company McWhirter's Technologies, which is at the forefront of the shift towards the 100 gig networks. There's also an increase in digital advertising. The e-commerce shift that only 6% currently of all retail is done on an e-commerce basis. We think that will continue. And also a need for increased cybersecurity. We think that provides an opportunity for Absolute Software as well as Route One, which I own personally. And on the kind of overall security side, nanotech security, which provides security for banknotes, we think is finally going to have a decent opportunity in 2015.
Is there one next big thing in technology that investors can profit from?
Well, the next big thing, obviously, I shouldn't say obviously, is the Internet of Things, which all things being connected. I think it's difficult to find one company that's reasonably priced that provides an opportunity there. I think you're better off to end up saying it's more of what's going on now, which is the existing explosion of video and the increased demand for network speeds, fat pipes, again playing into the strengths of McWhirter's Technologies.
What factors do you consider when deciding whether or not to sell a particular tech stock?
Part of it is overall valuation. So as an example, you recently saw Sierra Wireless involved in the Internet of Things. One of the analysts concurred with my view about a week and a half ago, which was that the stock appears to be expensive. From recollection, it's trading about 17 times enterprise value to EBITDA based on 2015 estimates. So very much like real estate, it becomes one of, I like your house, I'm just not sure about the short-term asking price for your house. There's a value for everything, and some stocks get stretched either on a price-to-sales basis or, more importantly, a price-to-earnings and or EBITDA basis.
In the past, you've mentioned Flight and Avigilon. What tech stocks do you currently like?
Flight continues to end up providing an opportunity if their kind of Chinese customers can end up ordering more of their product. It's a great recurring revenue story. On the Avigilon side, the need for security surveillance continues. The stock appears to be reasonably priced. If they can end up delivering the numbers that analysts are expecting going forward, the stock appears cheap. Stocks that I like at the moment, Zicotech Photonics, which has settled their lawsuit with Philips and Saint-Gobain. We think that provides an opportunity on the PET medical scanner side. And also on December 1st, there was a press release from Zicotech that suggested they're expecting by the end of March of this year a potential order from CERN, and the CFO, Michael Minder, was presenting at the conference today. He, for the first time, has suggested that over the next 3 to 4 years, CERN looks like there's a demand, or might have a demand, for up to $250 million worth of the two products that Zicotech sells. Again, no certainty that that CERN is going to end up ordering Zicotech's product. But remember, about a year and a half ago, CERN came to the conclusion that Zicotech products were the only ones in the world that basically could end up satisfying their needs. Hence the deal that Zicotech has struck with Hamamatsu Photonics out of Japan. We think it's a very positive opportunity, expecting news by the end of March.
Thanks for taking the time for today's interview.
You're very welcome. Thank you.
Keep up to date with all your favorite small caps. Subscribe to our free daily newsletter featuring investment ideas, breakout stocks, analyst research, and more. smallcappower.com. Investing ideas and research.
Our parent company, Beaker Corporation, and its affiliates or partners will seek to provide services to companies mentioned on Small Cap Power. So you should consider all the information on Small Cap Power as an advertisement. Beaker Corporation and its related companies or a connected person may own, buy, and sell securities mentioned in our videos from time to time. We recommend that you consult with a trusted financial professional before making any investing decisions. You can see our full disclaimer here.